Elegant lace. Lace nail art introduces a touch of vintage elegance to your nails. The intricate patterns mimic the delicate beauty of lace fabric, and you can choose from various colors to suit your personality style. Lace designs are perfect for special occasions like weddings or romantic evenings, adding a touch of sophistication to your overall look. Having beautifully designed nails can make you feel more put together and confident in yourself. Taking care of your nails and adding artistic touches can be a form of self care that improves your mental well being. Nail art provides a canvas for artistic enthusiasts. They can add many colors and textures and also shapes, trying out different techniques like stamping, blending colors, and creating 3D designs on their nails. Starry glitter. If you wish to make your nails shine like the stars, consider a glittery nail design. These nails are adorned with sparkling glitter and iridescent shades, creating a celestial and otherworldly effect. This design is perfect for parties and events where you want to stand out and shine. Gradient beauty. Gradient nail art beautifully blends two or more colors seamlessly, creating a smooth transitions from one shade to another. This design style can be soft and subtle or bold for striking.